USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Swiss franc. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you will find some links. You can join the free Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Join the Telegram, check out the brokers and the prop firms, sign up with them and start your trading. Subscribe, like, it's all free. Coming back to the chart here. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. In weekly, we are down, pull back, we are going down again, or we went down again. Okay, so down, pull back, went down again. Coming back to daily, we are still below the EMA but near to the EMA. Okay, so keep an eye. We are curving and then we are trying to go up. Maybe in the coming weeks we will go up. Okay, one more reason you have to carefully look, we were in the uptrend, so uptrend, pull back, uptrend, pull back, because this low did not break the previous low so far. Okay, this this red candle of today might turn into blue or might go down and break this low, who knows. Okay, for now we have not broken the previous lows, so we cannot say that we are going further down. This red candle rejected the previous low. Okay, and then we have a blue candle which has eaten the previous red candle. So in daily, I would say hold on to yourself. Okay, let's get back to 4-hour. Let's see what we have at 4-hour. Again we are down, so in all three time frames we are below the AMA in the downtrend. We had this downtrend, then pull back to maybe 50%, and then we're supposed to go down again. Okay, so here is the catch. I'm expecting it to go down. Okay, but if you want to trade the USD there, I would say get into Euro or GBP USD or Euro USD instead of USD CHF for now, because USD CHF is not a very big mover. You will not get many pips in USD CHF, but as per the technical analysis, all time frames are down. So we had this pullback, then we have two red candles eating previous blue candles. So technically we're supposed to go down and maybe take down this previous low. Okay, so look for shorts in USD CHF. Otherwise you have many pairs to trade from Euro USD, GBP USD and others. Okay, so if you like what you see, subscribe, share, and check out these links. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.